everybody, welcome to the new video. Today we'll play Plus One Speed Slime Keyboarders game. And this game is satisfying. Absolute satisfying. Let me rebirth. Okay, my rebirth is now on. So, I have 0 Robux. Don't call me broke in the comments. And I placed the sound like slime because the game is called Slime Keyboard Plus One Slime Keyboards game. And this is I played this game like before. I played the chocolate and candy one. I will make a video of that later. Oh my god! Like this sound is satisfying. Look this. Dude, the sound is satisfying. Look, hear this. Dude, that's real satisfying. Oh, like this speed. What just happened to me? Okay. I cannot buy like that because I have 0 Robux. Look at this. I have 0 Robux sadly. I spent all my Robux for game passes and for my skin. My skin is Sonic because I'm a Sonic fan. Bro, why is this slime eggs? There's slime eggs in here? I didn't notice that there's like slime eggs here. Dude, how can I survive the stage 3? Dude, I could just do this. It's easy. Oh, dude, what is this Look, I've played chocolate with the keyboards. What is this? Like the game. Favorite the game. I claimed it. What? Without joining the game. Okay, that's weird. I have multiple speed now. For giving me this. For giving me that much. How many levels I need to 55. What is that? What is this? Okay, so 16x speed. Okay, this one is kind of good, I think. Like now 100 speed 100. Get away, that slimy boy. I don't know what are you. Oh, let me use it for it's very helpful. Alright, now let's run it. Woo! I think it can run from this ball. Okay, this is bad. Dude, you can jump on him? Why didn't notice that? Whoa! I do have editing, so please like and subscribe. Our goal is 1 million subscribers, so please hit that like button and smash that like button. And smash that subscribe button. Otherwise, you're going to miss my videos. So please like and subscribe. Our goal is to make it to 1 million subscribers. Okay, let's go. There it is. Oh. Bruh. Okay. Like, bro, you're going to die for this. And you're not moving the way. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. It's better. No, just kidding. I didn't end the video. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's use this. This one's very helpful. Oh my god, bro was fast. What's this? Now. Oh my god. Now can I jump through those? Ow! Ow! Dude, it's so fun to play. Dude, this game is fun to play. Like, are you tired for all these basics mods? Let me play Roblox. So I don't have that many I have 0 Robux. So don't call me broke in the comments. Please, don't call me broke in the comments. Okay. Woo! Okay, hurry. Wait. Now go. Don't call me broke. No! Oh, God damn! Bro, you're stealing whatever this thing is. Dude, how I'm dying. Okay. Please don't end. Please! Okay, it's gone. Now. I hope I have better speed. Dude, I almost make it to the 55. 55, so it's in the want to jump higher. Dude, I don't have enough Robux in you seeing me. I need to buy this. Okay. Golden treadmill. Okay. Dude, how is the thing you're actually fast and jumping? That way is like insane. That's only kids do that, okay? Dude, I just. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now it. Dude. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. You better like and you better wait. Oh wait. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye!